Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the View Child Decorator. So here, a View Child Decorator is used to access a child component of a parent component and directives or a DOM elements within the parent component. So here, View Child Decorator is used to access the data or methods from the child using the View Child Decorator, and these these need to improve import some view child in the parent component, and you can import the child component also. So by using the view child decorator used for manipulating and updating the child and get DOM elements, and we can just set the values based on the certain conditions. So these are the use cases, and we can see one example for view child decorator in practical, so you can understand. So here admin component.html is a parent component and contact component.html is a child component. Here I am doing, um, first of all, I'm accessing this element. This is the parent component. So here I'm giving one more variable code. Okay, so here I'm accessing this. I'm giving template reference variable. So by using hash symbol, we can indicate that, and headline I'm giving. So here I'm accessing this variable, and means this is the one of the method you can access the DOM elements. So here I'm giving view child. View child. I'm giving single quotes with the headline. So here headline I'm giving once again, and in. So so view child decorator, uh, we need to initialize in the ng after view unit only. So that's why I'm implementing here ng after view unit. This dot headline dot native headline dot native element dot um, inner html. So here, yeah, you can see variable code here. So this is in console. You can see console. Yeah, you can see this in the console variable code. So we have given this console in the ng after view unit. It's accessing at the rate view child. So yeah, the data taken from that temporary referenceable variable is loading in the console log, ng after view unit. You can see this in the console. So here what we have done here, I have taken some h2 with the template reference. Uh, so it will be reflected into the view child. I have given view child headline, and headline I have given uh, ng after view unit. Why? Because we have taken this one is, uh, after initialization of view child, the ng after view unit should be called. So that is a angular feature and angular instructions to that HTML. So here we have seen that. So I'm accessing another component contact. Yeah, this is I'm accessing. Now I'm uh, data data parent. I'm taking this method here. Data to parent. So I'm taking data, single photos. So here return this dot data. I have written this one, and yeah, here I'm accessing this by using view child. In the view child, I'm taking contact contact com contact component. Here I'm taking contact any. So in the console, this dot contact dot um, data to parent method is calling or not. So you can check here. So view child is called. So this data is coming from the children child component. So i- it's accessed the child component to the parent component, and after that it's called in the console. So that is a view child uses. That is a view child uses in the Angular. You can access different elements and different methods from the child component. So this is an advantage of this view child in Angular. So here ng after view unit is a life cycle hook. We have discussed earlier also. In ng after view unit, so it will be called after view has been initialized in Angular. So such conditions, this life cycle will be called. So I hope you understand very well. Thank you so much for giving me, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.